Before I start the video, I'll put timestamps in the description so you can jump from front to back, etc. Alrighty, so this is a 2025 Subaru Crosstrek fitted in grey on black water resistant canvas two-tone. We'll start with the front pair, separate headrests. Seat covers are custom made to the shape of the Crosstrek seat. With any suede or canvas purchase, we give you a free console top. So this is a base model Crosstrek, so driver's side has manual control. Our seat covers go inside the capping to leave access to that function. Airbag provision on the door sides of both backrests. Airbag provision on the inside of the driver's backrest. There's also airbag provision for the inside of the passenger's base on the cushion. Customer has option full canvas down the back of the backrest, but you do have the option to leave the mat pocket on the passenger side open if you so choose. Now we're on to the rear seat, so it's a 60-40 split, 3 separate headrests. Middle headrest on the Crosstrek has the belt guide. As you can see, our seat covers make provision for that. You've got the center fold down armrest with the drink holder still separate, still accessible, still functional. Folds into place. Backrest can still tip forward. 60 side folded down in this video. Top tether points still accessible, and 40 side folded down as well.